Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring door thickness and selecting the correct jig settings. This matters because a wrong backset ruins alignment. Next, place the jig on the door face and align its center mark with the backset you measured. Clamp it tight, but not so hard that you crush the surface. Use protective pads when needed. Once secured, recheck alignment visually and with a tape. Make small adjustments now so drilling later is accurate and fast. You now drill the face hole first, using a pilot bit to keep the hole saw tracking true. This prevents wobble and off-center cuts. Use a depth collar on the hole saw to control depth. Standard face hole depth is 2-1/8 inches, so the lock sits flush. Next, drill the edge hole for the latch. Make sure the drill is square to the edge. Once done, remove debris and test fit the latch. If it doesn't sit flush, sand or re-drill slightly to correct placement. You fit the latch and strike plate, securing screws snugly to manufacturer torque. Over-tightening can warp the face. Then install the lock cylinder or knob and operate the mechanism slowly, cycling it 10 times to seat parts and detect binding. If the bolt doesn't engage smoothly, loosen screws and shift the strike plate or latch a hair to correct alignment. Make sure to re-tighten and retest. If binding persists, check door plumb and adjust hinge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.